Hi everyone, I'm Kirsty from Creative Foundations, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use spirals to create different pieces of art. As you'll have seen from the art videos created by all the Loving Learning artists, there are so many different art forms. Art is dance, singing, storytelling, animation, printmaking, and the list just keeps going. In this video, you'll be able to create two completely different art forms from the same starting place, which will be a spiral. First, I'll show you how to create a spiral drawing, and afterwards how to use a spiral to form your own creative writing piece. As you'll have probably noticed from all my other videos as well as this one, I enjoy experimenting with all different art forms, and I'd love you to try the same. So, after creating your images and creative writing pieces, why not try to create something else using a different art form, starting with a simple spiral. The first activity within this video is going to be the creation of a spiral art piece, just like this one here. For this, all that you're going to need is some paper and a pen. To begin your spiral art piece, draw a circle or an oval in the centre of the page, and then continue to draw a spiral around that shape. Afterwards, you need to select your theme, and for the purpose of this video, I've selected nature, and I simply make a note of this in the middle of my oval. Based on the theme you selected, begin to draw small images around your spiral. As you can see, within my example of spiral art, I have tended to use different images, occasionally using the same image again later on in the piece. For yours, you might want to make repeated patterns throughout, in which case using the same images over and over again. My example here is by no means detailed, as I wanted it to be a quick activity that tested me to think of images quickly based on the theme I chose. However, you could choose to spend a lot more time on your individual images and create a masterpiece. Once you've completed all your images within your spiral, it's up to you whether you want to leave it black or white, or you can choose to colour it in. We're now nearly towards the end of the spiral, so now it's over to you to think about the theme that you might choose and the images you might draw around your spiral. In the second activity, we're going to start as we did before in the previous one, starting with a circle or an oval in the centre of the page, selecting our theme and then writing it in our shape, and then continuing to draw a spiral around the outside. This time it's a creative writing activity, so rather than drawing pictures, we're going to write around the outside of the spiral. As you can see, I'm just writing what comes to mind at that given time based on the theme that I chose. At this point, I'm not focusing on sentence structure or spelling. I'm just noting down what comes to mind. This will then be used as inspiration to form a creative writing piece later on. Based on my theme of nature, I wrote the following. I walk along a path, it's sunny and fun. The trees all around are green. It soon becomes autumn and it all begins to change, colder and darker. The air and leaves begin to alter, but the beauty I see is still all around. Snow now starts to hit the ground. It's fun to build snowmen and play all around. The sun starts to melt, the sun starts to show. It all begins again, my walk in the sun. I then went away and edited my creative writing spiral, creating a poem. Nature, my morning walk so calm and still, as the trees of green stand tall. It's filled with beauty, laughter and fun, as the sun shines down on it all. The air begins to alter, the dark nights start rolling in. The trees of green now yellow, but summer takes this on the chin. The shimmer of frost each morning, the excitement of snow on the ground. Families and friends come together, the joy of this scene all around. The snow begins to melt away, farewell to the snowmen we made. But rather than feeling sombre, I look forward to my walk in the shade.